We'll guide you through how to transfer photos from an iPhone to an SD card. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and store them on there, or then go and access them on another device. So to go and get started with this, we're going to need an adapter. If you're looking for one, I'll go and put some links down below to Amazon. Those are affiliate links which support the channel at no extra cost. So in this case, I've just got a normal USB SD card adapter, but then I have an adapter on top, but you can get an all-in-one version. Plug it into the iPhone like so, and we can go and slot the SD card in. Now open up your photos. Press select in the top right and go and select the photos you want to do this with. Press the share button in the bottom left. Scroll down and find the option for save to files. Press the back button in the top left, and then what you can do is go and find the SD card. Mine's called no name. Choose where you want to go and put them. I'll put them in this DCIM folder and in here. Then I'll press save and that's it. When it's finished, it'll close and you successfully transferred them. It will still be on your iPhone, so what you can do is go and reselect them and delete them if you want.